Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you on how to upload Google Photos to Google Drive. Before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, go to Google Photos. Then, this type of screen interface will be shown on your screen. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account. Suppose we want to upload these 3 photos to Google Drive. For that, keep pressing a photo for a while, then select the photos. Here, I'm selecting 3 photos. Tap on Share on the left side button. Slide until you get to Google Drive. Here, tap on Drive and wait for a while. As you can see, it is ready to upload. Tap on the Upload button on the top right corner. Wait until it gets uploaded. Now, go to Google Drive. As you can see, these photos are already uploaded in Google Drive. And this is how you can easily upload Google Photos to Google Drive. If you found this tutorial video easy and helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell so you won't miss any updates from us. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.